Hello and welcome to Last Food and Barbecue. This morning I saw a video by my friend Kjetil over at Elton's BBQ Pit, and he made a rub, and I thought I want to try that rub. So I went to the store and tried to find something to cook, and I decided I'm going to make a poor man's brisket. That's chuck roast, cooked like a brisket, and I'm going to do it now using his rub. I will link you up there to his video doing the rub, because there's no point in me telling you what he made. It's better that you check his video out. Anyway, tag along and I'll show you how I'm going to do this. Okay, for this cook I'm going to be using my little smoking cabinet, and what's changed since you saw this last is that I added like a gasket around the door because it leaked some, and I didn't like that. And then I stacked up a lot of briquettes. I got some apple wood from Paradise Trees. That's where I was yesterday before I went home. I'm also going to light it and let it come up to temp in the cabinet. And we're going to aim at 225, and I'll be using the Maverick XR50 to monitor this cook. So hopefully it's going to go good, everything. Anyway, time to light this up and prepare the meat. Okay, there we go. So what I've got here is a 3-pound chuck roast. I'm just going to remove the silver skin here. Yeah, I think that should be it. Okay, no binder. And then we have Elton's rub. So applied generously. A little bit windy out here today, but it's gonna be fine. The pit doesn't tear. Anyway, there we go. Okay, since I'm doing both pork and beef, I'm gonna do the beef up top, and in this I'm gonna have the probe, temperature probe. The ribs, I'm just gonna probe them as I go along. Put that in here. See you at 203, right? Okay, just gonna fetch the ribs. Hang on. Okay, there we go. So I've got 2 racks. These are Swedish ribs, so they're not overly large. They're actually quite small, and I did put them on the wrong way on the grate. See that now? And they have been resting with the seasoning, and this is Elton seasoning. I'm putting them on the bottom shelf, and then on the middle shelf I got some ribs with bastardrub on them. So there we go. I'm gonna leave this to its own devices, and I'll meet you back in hours and hours. Okay, so these ribs have reached the tenderness that I want them to be. I don't like fall off the bone ribs. So first off we have Kjetil's rib, or Kjetil's porky rub that I used today, and then we got a rack of bastard ribs. I'm gonna let these lie here and rest for a minute or two, and then I'm gonna cut into them. Time to give this a cut. It's easier to turn them over and then cut between the bones, because you can see a lot easier. I don't know, you might have noticed that I didn't sauce these up or anything, because I just want them to be ribs, just like so. Okay, let's see what we have. It's not that much meat on these, but I have a lot of ribs for 2 people. Looks really nice. Slight smoke ring there. This one, the bastardrub one, they both look nice actually. I'm gonna give these a try. So, hang along. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna try. I'll start with the bastardrub one. I've had that before, but I know it's gonna be good. It's got a really nice taste to it. It's not very sweet. not overly hot. It's a good all-purpose rub, I would say. Yeah, it works on everything. I'm gonna try Kjetil's then. Let's see what we have. No, it's also very nice. It's got more of a kick to it, and it's also sweeter because of the sugar in there. I don't think there's any sugar in the bastardrub, but I'm not sure. I could check it, I guess, but no. These are both really good. Tender, moist. They're not fall off the bone, but easily peel off. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, so this has been resting about 10 minutes. I took it off at 199. I think it's about done, and also the fire was starting to dwindle. I didn't really want to put on any more charcoal. As you understood, I kind of forgot. Well, here's the cut into this. Let's see what we have. Well, we got a nice smoke ring and quite a lot of juices as well. Let's see what we have here. I think that looks pretty good. Gonna see if I can pull it apart. Sorry about the light. It's getting to be fall here in Sweden. Well, it's not extremely tender, but it's extremely warm. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, there we go. Let's give it a try. Some poor man's brisket, or Swedish brisket, because it's hard to get brisket here. It's really, really good. You can taste the rub on there, of course. Thank you, Kjetil. It was really good on it. Well, I'm going to enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.